Hello everyone, I am Sudipta Dasgupta. Welcome to the new session of Introduction to ArcGIS. Today we will talk about how to design a map and the different elements of a map. So let's start our 7th tutorial. In this session we will talk about how to go to the map view from the data view, the map designing elements, the properties of the elements and how to use those elements, and how to export a map to an image or PNG format. First of all, we need to know what is GIS mapping. A GIS mapping is the process of inputting data layers into GIS software to map layers to produce a map. There are many map elements, but in this session we will talk about only 7 map elements of our map designing process, which are main map body, title, north arrow, scale bar, legend, insert map, and neatline. First of all, we need to know what is map body. It is exactly what it sounds like the map itself. The visual expansion of the data to a map is the map body. Next, the title. The title reflects the subject of the map. A good title should include geographic name, layer name, and the indicator name. The north arrow is the relationship between the direction shown on the map versus the compass direction. The scale bar is typically the ratio of the single map distance unit to corresponding distance to the real world. The legend explains any symbols we used in the map. And the insert map is a smaller map featured in any corner of our map. So let's explore this in the ArcMap. In ArcMap, I already have a classified dataset which I will show in a map view. So first we will go to the view. We will go to the layout view for map editing. When we are in layout view, we have to work as a map layout. So first we will select the page dimension. For this, we will right click on the page and go to the page and print setup. In page and print setup, there is an option named size. In size drop down, we can see various type of paper options. We will select A4. Below this, we can see orientation, which is portrait and landscape mode of our map view. We will work as portrait in this session and click OK. When we will export this, it will be in A4 format. Next, we need to add all the elements of a map. For this, we will go to the Insert menu, and in this, we can see different types of elements. We will add title first. So we will click the title. So a text bar will be appear. We will have to drag it to the top of the map. Now we need to align this. For this, we will click this and right click. Go to the align to margin. Then we will go to the align again and click align center. This is the title of our map. Now we will need to bold this. For this, we will go to the properties of our title. Click change symbol. Here in the bold option, we will click it and OK and apply. So our title is on the top of our map. Next, we need to add the legend. For this, we will go to the insert again and click legend. We have to select which attribute file we need as a legend. After selecting, we will click next and keep all the setting as it is. Next, we need to attach the scale bar and the north icon. For this, we will go to the insert again, go to the scale bar and select the scale bar according to our preferences. Here we have see the scale bar has been appeared. We will have to drag it according to our position. We can edit the division unit. For this, we will right click and go to the properties. In the properties, we will use the division unit drop down and select kilometers. Here we can see many options like number of divisions, number of subdivision, and the gap between the divisions. We will leave it as it is and click OK and apply. We will have to keep in mind the range of our scale bar have to be in integer number, not fractional numbers. Next, we need to add the north arrow. For this, we will go to the insert again and click north arrow. We will select it according to our preferences and click OK and align it with our selected position. So the basic map design has been ended. Now we can add additional informations. we will go to the insert and select the knit line. Select the place inside margin and click OK. This will add a knit line in the corner of our map. For adding an insert map, we will have to add a new data frame. For this, we will go to the insert, add a new data frame. And here we can see a new window of the new data frame. We will align it according to our positions of our map. And in the new data frame, we will have to add the insert map. Now, if we'll add a new shapefile in the new data frame, it will act as an insert map. I have done the same map for this. As you can see, the insert map has been created. This is the basic layout of map design. Thank you very much for staying with me for the whole time. I hope we will learn something from this session.